Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to dive into how you can enable the Pixel Call Screening assistant calling feature on any rooted Android phone. This feature, exclusive to Pixel devices, allows your phone to automatically screen calls and even answer them using Google Assistant. Let's get started. What is Pixel Call Screening assistant calling? Pixel Call Screening assistant calling is a powerful feature that can significantly enhance your calling experience. It works by automatically screening incoming calls and determining whether they are legitimate or spam. If the call is deemed suspicious, Google Assistant can engage the caller in a conversation, gathering information and protecting your privacy. To enable this feature on your non-Pixel Android device, you'll need two things. Rooted device, Pixelify module. Download the Pixelify module from the link provided in the video description. Launch the Magisk app. Navigate to the Modules section within Magisk. Select the Install from Storage option. Choose the Pixelify module you downloaded earlier. The Pixelify module offers various Pixel-related features. In this case, we only need the Pixel Call Screening assistant calling feature, so select No for all other features. When you reach the installation section for Pixel Call Screening assistant calling, use the Volume Up button to select it and the Volume Down button to confirm your choice. After the installation is complete, reboot your device. It may take 15 to 20 minutes for the Pixel Call Screening assistant calling feature to activate after rebooting. Please be patient during this time. Once the feature is activated, connect your device to a Wi-Fi network. The system will need to download some additional files to fully enable the feature. This might take a few minutes. In addition to Pixel Call Screening assistant calling, this module also enables the call recording feature on your device. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to enjoy the convenience and security of Pixel Call Screening assistant calling on your rooted Android device. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below.